Welcome to the MS Excel training session. Today, we are learning about logical functions in Excel. We need to understand the purpose of the logical function. It is used to give condition. Based on the condition's output, calculation or action will be performed. Next, we need to understand how to set the condition. Condition is set using values like numbers, text, or date, and the comparison operator. So what are the list of comparison operators we will be using, like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these 6 comparison operators we will be using. After checking the condition, comparison operator will return 2 output, either true or false. True or false are called as Boolean values. So for example, so we have the 2 values are there, like 80.5 and 23.6. I want to compare them. So first I will say equal to first value greater than the second value. So the output will come true because first value is greater than the second value. So next, I'll give you another condition. So I'm checking whether the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. So this will give you the output false. After comparing the values, comparison operator will give you only 2 output, either true or false. Now let us study about the logical functions in Excel. The first function that we will going to study is if function. So why we need this if function? It is used to perform calculation or action based on the condition. Let us try to understand the syntax of the if function. If function will take 3 parameters: logical test, value if true, value if false. Logical test is nothing but it is used to set the condition using comparison and logical operators. Value if true will be used to set what output needs to be written when the condition is true. Value if false will be used to return the output when the given condition is false. So let us try to understand the if function, so with the help of an example. So let me explain you the example. We have a salary values here. So I need to check whether the employee is eligible to get the bonus. So to check that eligibility, I have set a criteria or condition where the salary is below 5,000. So now let us try to use if function to check the bonus eligibility. So you have to type the function if, select the function using the tab key. So now we need to give first parameter, that is salary less than 5,000. So that will be my logical test. This logical test or the condition will give me only 2 output. So when the condition is true, so what output we should get? So we should print like he is eligible for bonus. Otherwise, so you have to print the message not eligible. You have to print not eligible. So now, so this is the formula. So let me copy the formula to all the cells and tell you. See here, the value is, for the value 4,500, it is coming as eligible because the value is below 5,000. So for the value 7,600, it is coming not eligible because the value is above 5,000. Now let us see the second example. Now let us see the second example for the if function. So the requirement is get the bonus when the salary is below 5,000. In this example, we need to calculate the bonus amount. When the salary is below 5,000, bonus amount will be 10% of the salary. Otherwise, bonus will be 0. So how to write the formula for this? Again, you take up if function. So and you give the logical test. So condition, so salary, so below 5,000. Then value will be, you need to write a formula here to calculate the 10% bonus, salary into 10% bonus. And then value if false, directly you can give 0. and just copy the formula to all the cells by using the shortcut key Control D. So this is the example for if function. Hope all of you have followed this. Now let us see how to give multiple conditions. Using if function, we can give only one condition, but sometimes we need to set multiple condition. So we will see how to set the multiple condition. Whenever you want to give multiple condition, along with the if, you have to use two more other logical functions like AND function and OR function. So what exactly the AND function will do? So using AND function, we can give multiple conditions. When all the conditions are true, AND function will give the output as true. Otherwise, AND function will give the output as false. So now let us see an example for that. So here again, I have a salary and we need to calculate the bonus of 10%. Who are all eligible to get the bonus? All the employees who are earning the salary between 2,500 and 5,000. Point to be noted here is we need to give here two conditions. So first I'm giving if. Inside the if to give multiple conditions, so I'm using AND. Now let me give my first condition, salary greater than or equal to 2,500. Then, so we are giving the second condition. Again, you select salary less than or equal to 5,000. So like this, after giving two conditions, you need to close the AND bracket. Now you have to give the value for the parameter value if true. So when the value is true, so we need to calculate the bonus, that will be salary into 10%. Otherwise, bonus will be 0. So we need to give it as 0. Now copy the formula to all the cells. So why it is calculating bonus here? Because the salary is between 2,500 to 5,000. And here why it is giving 0? Because so here it is out of range or it is not satisfying the condition. That's why you are getting the bonus as value as 0. Next, let us see how to use if with OR function. So OR function will be used again to give multiple condition and it returns true when any one of the condition is true. So now let us try to understand this. So with the help of an example. So here the condition is employee who are working in either in IT department or in the HR department are eligible to get 10% bonus. For others, the bonus will be 5%. So let me just have a formula. First you select if followed by R. R is a function, logical function. So now we are setting the condition on the department column. So you give the condition department as HR. So Excel is not case sensitive. You can use any case, uppercase or lowercase, or you check whether the department is equal to IT. And why I am giving these values within the double quote? Because all the text values or alphabetical values need to be given within the double quote. Followed by the value if true. When the condition is true, the bonus will be salary into 10%. Otherwise, when the value is false, the bonus will be salary into 5%. We need to put appropriate formulas over there to calculate the bonus. Now, just copy the formula to all the cells. Hope all of you have understood this one. Thank you.